Hi everybody, today we got a Sollas Model 17 cellophane overwrapper. We're operating right now on 223 phase voltage. You can see they've modernized it with newer temperature controls. The original ones were the fennels that were placed on the right. The new one's operating there. Controls look good. All factory wiring, nothing cut, broken. See, it's got some film on it right now. Uses an in-feed conveyor to the pusher right here. They were actually manually feeded by pushing it on the conveyor. Seals are operating at good temperature, as you can see from the temperature controls. And here on your controls is your in-feed conveyor operating right there, and we can jog the machine. You can see the pusher operating. Discharge and folding area. It does have a cutter on the film. Safety guards, as you can see. It's in our stock under our packaging section, then click the subset overwrappers. And thanks for joining us for this video today. Hope to see you soon.